Hello, and welcome to another edition of Home Cooking the Roxy. Gumbo. So I already got my butter. 1 stick of butter already in my pan. And I'm getting ready to make my roux now. I'm making a roux. So you know, in order to make a roux, you need flour. So that would be a 1/2 cup. Stir that. Oh God. You don't want your butter to burn, so you have to stir it. And while my butter is browning, put this up. We're making seafood gumbo. Shrimp. I got a pound of shrimp, pound of sausage. My onions and peppers already ready, and I got a surprise for y'all. This ain't your regular gumbo here, cause I know y'all get excited. Y'all hear gumbo and y'all go crazy, especially y'all people from New Orleans, where the original gumbo come from. But this ain't New Orleans gumbo. This is not New Orleans gumbo. This is Miami gumbo. It's Roxanne. It's Roxanne. It's Roxanne. Okay. So my roux is ruined. We'll do it like y'all New Orleans. New Orleans people, New Orleans. New Orleans. So I got my roux ready. So since my roux is ready, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and put my canister of tomatoes. 1 canister of tomatoes. One onion chopped. And we got our peppers. It's a special request too. I don't know, I don't make this everything. So, my special combo. I always be telling y'all, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Subscribe to Home Cooking the Roxy YouTube. Yep. And I'm using the roasted garlic and herb. Just a tablespoon. There's no salt in that. It's so pretty and colorful. The onions and bell peppers. And I stirred it into my roux. So then I'm going to add shrimp. They're already seasoned. And my shrimp. I'm gonna put a half a cup of water. Just a half a cup. Okay. And stir that. I'm gonna rinse off my shrimp, my sausage. Tell me y'all don't know nothing about this. This is home cooking done Roxy. Gumbo. And I usually don't share this recipe with nobody. Hold on. I'm messing up. I'm gonna cut my sausage. My bipolar depression makes me miss so much. So I talked to my doctor. She prescribed Latuda. Latuda is the #1 prescribed brand for bipolar depression. Latuda was proven to significantly reduce bipolar depression. Oh, is it true? I pray it's all people on the way home. No substantial impact on it. Hey y'all, welcome to another edition of Home Cooking with Roxanne. Seafood gumbo. Seafood gumbo. I already got my shrimp in there. I'm cutting up my sausage now. I'm using my Georgia sausage. Not the Dewey's. Most people put Dewey sausage in their gumbo. Especially people from New Orleans. Dewey sausage is good, but I found something I like just a tad bit better. And that's my Georgia specials. So that's what I'm putting. That's what I put in my gumbo. Georgia specials. That's what I put in my gumbo. So I'm gonna stir this a little bit. It's cooking up. And I gotta put my secret ingredient. That's my secret ingredient. I ain't gonna tell y'all what that is. And then I got my, I'm gonna tell you, this is my favorite. It's not too spicy. Just put like a half a teaspoon. Don't put a whole tablespoon. Put half a teaspoon of that in there. Stir that in. My secret ingredient is curry powder. I'll tell y'all. You gotta cook with love. If you don't cook with love, it never tastes like the recipe that people provide for you. Some people do leave stuff out when they give you their recipe, but if you don't cook with love, it's not gonna be the same anyway. Okay? My gumbo, I just like to make sure that it's full of meat. And the meats, my favorite meats. And my favorite meat is sausage, shrimp, wait till y'all find out what the last ingredient, the last meat. So I'm gonna put another half a cup of water because it looks too thick for me. It shouldn't be too thick. I don't want it thick. I'm going to be a bit soupy. You know what? I'm stirring it up. It's all pretty. It's pretty, 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 right? It's pretty, 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 pretty. So, you can also check my Facebook page for pictures. You could check my Instagram for pictures. It's Home Cooking by Roxy, Home Cooking by Roxy. And this is Home Cooking by Roxy Gumbo. And we already at 10 minutes. The peppers and the onions. Oh my God, it smells good. It look good. I'm gonna just hit it with a little complete seasoning. It already has salt in it, so you don't have to add that. Okay, that's all I'm telling you. So we put all our seasonings in the pots. All of them, all of them, all of them. They're already in there. Everything we need. Once we add the last meat, we all good. Okay. It's not done yet, but it look good. Let me show y'all what it look like. That's what it look like. Still going. So, you can check my YouTube and my Instagram for pictures. Home Cooking by Roxy Seafood Gumbo. Miami, I call it Miami Gumbo. Ciao.